Sports time, go. Sports time, go. Sports time, go. Sports time, go. Lightning round, sports time, go.
Okay. Welcome to Crunch Time, everybody. How you doing? I'm your host, Edward Dominguez. This is my co-host, Mr. Andrew Poonchek. Poonchakalaka da ping ping, Papa the Nibble. You already know. I got hoes in Alabama.
I got hoes in Atlanta.
Where else?
I got hoes in Al Jazeera. I got hoes with Al Qaeda. I got hoes in the savannah. We going everywhere.
We chilling. I gotta clean up my area.
There we go. Lightning round. Okay, Warriors 73-9. Amazing.
Amazing. Kobe Bryant retirement.
Amazing. 60 points in one fucking game.
Amazing,
my dude. Bam.
Curry shooting over 400 3-pointers in a season. Amazing,
my nigga.
10 3-pointers in a game. Amazing,
my dude.
What else? Playoffs, NBA playoffs. Oh, my Celtics came back 26 down against the Heat on Wednesday, closing night. Legends were in the crowd. We came through halftime. We're down by 24. Came back and won the motherfucking game by 10. So holla at your boy. Left the Heat at 5 points.
Bam.
But you know my C's got Atlanta right now. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock prime time. Go watch that game. It's gonna be
hell yeah. That's his official pick. I got a couple picks. We got Formula One first. We going down the fucking Speedway, Chinese Grand Prix. My boy Nico Rosberg going for 3 in a row. He's gonna win that shit. His only actual competition is his teammate Lewis Hamilton. Got a grid penalty. He started at the back of the pack. Nico Rosberg getting the fucking streak on. All right, let's go. Now we fucking fisting it up. Fisticuffs. UFC. Glover Teixeira versus Sugar Rashad Evans. Glover Teixeira statistical and reach advantage over Rashad Evans. He's winning that shit in whatever fucking town they're fighting in. By the way, UFC in NYC at MSG, November 12th. Fuck all the haters. We did it. The final game, Sunday Night Baseball. It's time to crack some skulls at the end of the night, Sunday night. The Dodgers-Giants, best rivalry in fucking baseball right now. Matty Bum Bum and Clayton Kerker, both fucking hitting home runs off each other. It's crazy and shit. But my pick goes with the Shark, Jeff Samardzija. He's going to shut down the Dodgers Sunday night in Dodger Stadium. Going to make everybody forget all about Kobe and the fucking LA Rams trading like their whole future away for the fucking stupid number 1 pick. I'm done.
Oh, you're done. We still got fucking 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're
this
doing
this is the greatest Crunch Time of all time, I think. I think we always do this.
We should always
Crunch
do
Time
this
is always going to be 3 minutes long. From here on out, that's my word. I'm never going to do another long one.
I got no editorials, so fuck all you motherfuckers. Enjoy the weekend and watch all those awesome games. We out.
Celtics all day, baby. All fucking day.
LA Clippers, Steve Ballmer, you already know Microsoft. Let's go.
Beat the Hawks.